What is up, guys? Soldiers here, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to get some quick cash in Vehicle Simulator. And the easiest way, usually, would be driving up and down the main highway near spawn. And, you just drive up and down, and it gets really boring and stuff like that. But you can take more of like the scenic approach to how you want to earn some pretty decent cash. Of course, you can do races and stuff like that, but you can buy Game Pass. You can even buy the cash. It really all depends on you. And if you don't want to spend money on the game, then I would just take the more scenic approach to it. Just kind of drive around the map like this. And make sure to complete your daily tasks because you get crates and stuff from it. You can get cool car skins. And I just think that driving this big circle around the map is a lot more, kind of a better approach to getting this. You get about 40, 50, it really depends on how fast you're going and if people don't run into you for no reason. But, okay, there we go. You can always take this highway right here. You just drive all the way up to the bridge and then you drive all the way back. You know, you drive you usually get cash based on how fast you're going, and you know, it's not really the type of game where, you travel a certain amount of studs and it gives you a certain amount of cash. You just go really fast and you'll get a bunch of you get these 200, 400 signs. It really all depends. But yes, it is a long process. No, it isn't really complicated. All you're doing is driving back and forth. But if you want to take more like the scenic route, I think it's a lot easier because you don't find a lot of people out here that will take the time and drive around the map and stuff like that. And, it's much more calm. You don't have to worry about hitting cars or anything like that. There's a few people here and there that know, that driving around the map is a lot better than driving through complete chaos and stuff like that. Um, there when it comes to vehicle games, there really never is a simple way to get cash and stuff like that. It's stuff you gotta kind of commit yourself to, and kind of dedicate. You want this car, keep driving to get it. It's pretty much how this game is now. Of course, you can just buy it, but that kind of takes the fun away and kind of takes the purpose of this game being here. But just driving this huge circle throughout the map and stuff like that is pretty pretty scenic. Helps you relax. Just driving around a map and whatever car you have, saving up for that one that you want. And this way, you can be finding crates and stuff around the map that most other people don't see because they're usually on that main strip. Ooh, we hit that. We're okay. But yeah, I just think there's a lot more to getting some quick and simple cash in this game. And it's really more simple than people make it. They say, buy VIP or buy this, buy that, and then you can just earn cash so much quicker, or you know, download an exploit or ruin your computer with hacks and stuff. Those things carry a lot of viruses and stuff, and you don't want to destroy your computer just to get a car. On some on some little small computer game. But yeah, the best way to kind of take this approach is just kind of drive around this big circle. You're averaging about, depending on how fast you're going, you're averaging over 100 every second. So you figure 160 seconds. You guys can do the math. You probably got your calculator with you. That's a lot. All you got, if you drive around that circle for an hour, you'll be able to just about get any car you want in the game. You don't have to worry about running into people or anything. You get to explore the entire map. Stuff like that. But I see it as there's a lot more to these driving and vehicle games than most people put it as. But other than that, I hope you guys found this a little helpful. I've probably been all over the place in this video and repeating myself, but it's all right. Um, I will be posting either another video tonight or be posting another video tomorrow, and I hope you guys found this pretty helpful. And leave a like and subscribe and comment down below what other tutorials you want from any Roblox games. I play 90% of them, so feel free to comment whatever you need. See you in the next one. Peace.